Hello guys, I have a 2019 Haval H6. The problem of this car is hazard light. When I post the brake, the hazard is turned on. As you can see, I post the brake. So you see, the hazard is turned on. So let's fix this problem. So let's remove the brake light. I remove the 2 bolts. It's a 10 millimeter, and then this brake light switch. Just replace this brake light switch, and the other side. As you can see, the brake light valve is melting. Just replace these 2 valve light. So I have a brake light. There's a new one. And install. So after I put a new bulb, just try to push the brake. And this is the old one. Let's try to push the brake. Push the brake. As you can see, there's no hazard light now. Push the brake, and the brake light is good. So that's it guys, that's the problem. The brake light bulb is melted. That's a Haval.